Hey, flower friends, it's Lisa Mason Ziegler dropping in for a couple of reasons. One is the very last flowers from our fields. We literally mowed our gardens this evening, mowed them, tilled them, and planted cover crop because we have rain coming again tomorrow, and we just haven't had a lot of rain around here, so we felt like we had to do it. Anyway, I'm here to invite you to join me over on YouTube in about 10 minutes. I don't know if you've seen or heard that we're have a special offer going on for Steve and Gretel Adams of Sunny Meadow Flower Farm. Their amazing, incredibly valuable course, Growing Cut Flower Crops in Hoop and Greenhouses, is on a little flash sale until Friday night. And I'm going to take you inside the course. I can't do that here on Instagram. Take you in, let you look around a little bit, see what all is in there and how we kind of use our courses as toolboxes, while we 100% recommend that people set a goal in their mind and actually just go through the course through the winter, taking several hours each week for 6 to 7 weeks. But the course is really set up to be a tool. It's keyword searchable. Anyway, Steve and Gretel, if you don't follow them here on social media, you need to, because when you follow them on social, you will see just their level of expertise in growing not only field crops, but in hoop houses, greenhouses, they have every kind of structure. I was just listening to part of their class today, and it was talking about how they started out with caterpillar tunnels, which they talk about. So it doesn't matter your level, but particularly if you're thinking about getting a structure, this course will be invaluable to you. Where to place it, which one to get, how to go about it. Anyway, and I'm going to kind of walk you around inside the course. So on my YouTube channel, 8 p.m. Eastern time, which is in about 8 or 9 minutes, I invite you to just follow me on over there. And so the course is normally $6.95, which, by the way, is, again, a BB in the Astrodome to how much money you will save by avoiding mistakes, but more importantly, how you will scale your business. If you are at that level where you have customers, you're up and running, now it's time to spread out a little bit. This course will truly take you by the hand. And their level of just experience and doing, just soil health and pests and what to grow and scheduling, and it'll apply to you anywhere. And they spill all the beans. So join me over on YouTube at 8 o'clock, and I'll take you inside for have a look for yourself. The special, you can comment HOOPS, HOOPS here, and I'll DM you the link to their page where you can go and read more about the course. But the offer is it's 21% off, y'all. Normally $6.95. It's on sale for $550, which is a lot of money. Don't get me wrong. But this is an unlimited lifetime access to all this information. Ranunculus, dahlias, eucalyptus. All the hot ones, tulips, all of them are in there. And you don't want to miss out. So see you in just a few minutes over on YouTube, friends. Ciao.